Seth Newman. The hero is on his way. Oh no. Just kidding. Who cares? I'll defeat him.
Here's something to think about. There are millions of people out there, right now, fighting to keep you safe. And the best that you can offer them is a couple pieces of dry bread? I just don't understand. I've checked all the readings, everything should be working in tip-top shape, so why? Oh wait, what's this? Subject experiment. Success? It did work! Man, I've really given this guy all I've got. I was a fool to think it'd be so easy. But in order to protect everyone I know, I have to keep fighting!
So, what are we doing here, George? What does it look like, John? We're stealing Oreos. Well, I see that, but why?